Whether jumping on your boat or jumping on your jet ski, you want to make sure you properly maintain your watercraft. So stick around, watch this video, and learn how Ancel can help you do just that. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I am really excited today to bring you an update on the Ancel MR500. It is the diagnostic scanner I have been using on my Yamaha Wave Runner. I'll go ahead and give you a quick rundown of the MR500 in this video, along with two additional products that Ancel sent me. The two products are centered around battery usage and battery preventative maintenance, and so I'm excited to share that with you guys, especially because the battery that I currently have in my 2021 that I purchased in 2020 is still the first battery that the Wave Runner came with. Over the last couple of years, I've been a little worried, I guess is the right word, about the life of my battery and at what point is it going to give out. Hopefully not out on the water. And so I think these two products are going to address that. So if you find it beneficial, I'll ensure I have the links in the description below on all three products. So we're first going to start, guys, with the Ancel MR500. I have a complete dedicated detailed video on the channel showing you how to set this up, how to use it, and more importantly, why I think it's definitely worth it for anybody that has a Yamaha Wave Runner. Over the last couple of months, not only do I use it when I come back from a ride, especially one where maybe I've sucked something into the impeller and I've got error codes out on the water. Just as importantly, whenever I'm ready to go out for a new ride the night before or maybe a day or two before, I also hook it up again just to ensure that there's no fault codes, that all of the diagnostics are running well. So is it worth it? I'll tell you this, the peace of mind I have out on the water knowing that I've taken all the preventative measures to ensure she's in the best possible health, I don't know, I can't put a price on that. So that's what the Ancel MR500 has helped me do when I ride. As I mentioned earlier, there's two additional products that Ancel sent me, and they both revolve around ensuring that our batteries are at the optimal performance. The first product that we spoke about was the Ancel BM300 Pro. It is a battery monitor. This has a Bluetooth app that installs right on your phone, and it's constantly monitoring your battery health. It will send you preventative messages letting you know if there's any abnormal signs that your battery is not operating well. It'll stop you even before you get out on the water on a bad battery, which I think is huge. This product is perfect for anybody that wants to ensure before they get out on the water, they don't have any battery issues. But here's the cool part about this. Instead of installing this on my jet ski, I'm actually going to install this on my Jeep Gladiator. Why? They sent me a second product, one that's probably even better equipped to ensure that the battery health on the PWC always stays at its highest optimal performance. Let me show you what that is. This is the Ancel BS200 Engine Super Starter. What does that all mean? This product monitors your battery just like the other product does, but on top of that, it is a super starter. Typically, whenever you have a battery that has a lot of things attached to it, for example, on these skis, there's a lot of us that have, additional GPS systems, lights, amps for, audio, a whole bunch of different things. And what happens is they're pulling juice from the battery, which eventually wears it out. It's a super capacitor that once you set it up, you can forget it. It will not first and foremost drain your battery. It does actually the opposite. When you start your Wave Runner, instead of taking all that power from your battery, it takes it right from the super capacitor. And what that basically does is it extends the life of your battery. It constantly monitors your battery. It will send you the same messages directly on that Bluetooth app if there's some abnormality with your battery. By starting your PWC with this super starter, it's going to take all of the power from here instead of draining it from your battery. And when you're starting your ski all those times throughout the year, or especially when you're leaving it sitting and it's not going to be running for a while, this thing is a huge lifesaver for your battery. And the other cool thing about this is if you have been stuck out on the water before with a dead battery and you've either needed somebody to help jumpstart you with jumper cables, or you've had to finagle through your engine compartments to set up one of those jump starters, this takes all of that away. You don't have to do anything. On the app itself, it has an option where you can kickstart your battery if in case it goes dead. Setting both of these up is super simple. It's literally just like connecting a battery. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take my wave runner out on the water to test to ensure that this thing stays in place. One of the more important things about this Super Starter is it is IP65 waterproof, which basically means it is sealed tight. It is sealed from dust particles, from any sort of, jets or waves hitting at it. It's not submersible, but I mean, you have bigger problems if this thing is submersing underwater. So this is perfect to set up inside your wave runner. It is built to perform in moist conditions because, again, it's sealed against dust and water. So this will work perfectly in the jet ski. So we're going to go ahead and install it. We'll take it out on the water. We'll test it to ensure that if it's something you want to set up in your ski, you're good to go. If you enjoy not only the adventures, but also this informative type of content, all I ask, as always, is that you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate y'all as always. Let's go. Let's get these in the jet ski. Let's get this on the Jeep Gladiator, and let's go dump her in the water. Let's test them out. Let's go. This is the easiest unboxing of all time. It's literally just the battery monitor along with the dual-sided tape to put on your battery. Although I am installing this one on the Jeep, you will do the same thing on your PWC. You hook up the red cable to the red terminal on your battery, the black cable to the black terminal on your battery. Then you just grab the double-sided tape that it comes with, you attach it to the outside of the battery case, and you're all done. The great thing about this product as well is the ease of use. Once installed, you just log right into the app, set up the type of battery that you have, and you're good to go. You will now be able to not only monitor your battery before you ride, but while you're on the water. It will show the percentage of battery power that you are currently holding. You will be able to track it throughout your ride and see and ensure that your battery is charging the way it should be. The app also has a feature where it will show where your watercraft is on a map and detailed routing information that you've taken. There's a variety of settings that you can customize to ensure it best fits your needs. This may now be the second easiest unboxing of all time. It's literally just taking the Super Starter out of the box and getting it ready to install. I will be installing it right alongside the battery in the back of the Yamaha. The first thing we do is unscrew the red and black cables from each terminal. The next step is running the heavy-duty zip ties underneath the battery compartment. That's going to allow you to securely install the Super Starter right next to your battery for optimal location and no movement. Then you just hook the cables right back up to each terminal and you're ready to go. All right, y'all, at the ramp, just so you can get a quick peek, show y'all, we've got the Super Starter right there installed. So what we're gonna do is we are going to rip it around, have some fun, make sure the install is nice and safe. I will tell you this, in the few minutes that it took me to drive down to the boat ramp, the capacitor has pretty much fully charged, and I gotta take a look at the battery because the battery is, I think my fears might be confirmed. So let's get out on the water, let's go. The whole goal of testing out the Super Starter's ability to stay in place is to turn the wave runner side to side, give it gas, go in circles, basically try to dislodge the Super Starter from its hold right next to the battery. All right, guys, let's take a quick peek. Let's see how it's holding up. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Perfect. Perfectly in place. Man, that's solid. That's a solid job. Yeah, let's keep running it a little bit more, but so far, I mean, passing with flying colors. Really, really good. All right, y'all, so listen, something that this Ancel, BS200 really surprised me with. When I was first riding, I saw, yeah, the capacitor, super capacitor, charges up rather quick, and I was expecting that, but my battery was hovering around that 40 to 50% charging level, which I thought, yep, I think it's about time I'm gonna have to change that battery. It's not really holding charge, but I didn't really think about it where I haven't ridden in like 2 weeks. So how's it really going to hold charge if I haven't ridden in 2 weeks? So I've been out now for about 30-40 minutes or so riding, you know, testing it, putting it through everything that you saw. And I wrote it down a little bit further, you know, here on the river. And as I'm riding back, I want to show you guys that what you're seeing on screen isn't me using it from somebody else. Like, check this out. My battery is holding 100% charge. Like, that's fantastic. I'm gonna try to steer like this. That's really good. So this thing, this Super Starter, is giving me the peace of mind to let me know that my battery is actually pretty good. The beautiful part about that is I don't have to spend money on a battery yet. Like, I can make sure that I'm on a good battery, and the second that that battery starts performing the way it shouldn't, abnormally, it's gonna send me messages right to my phone to let me know, hey, the battery's not too good. Just like the battery monitor, it's a really easy setup. Once you've downloaded the app, all you have to do is select the type of battery you have, and you're good to go. Similarly, you can see the battery performance and monitor the battery just like you did with the battery monitor. As you can see, the battery initially showed the 49% charge when it was first turned on. This screen also allows you to force start the ski if it dies just in case, and you also have a lot of different features and options that you can select that will best fit your needs for this setup. Alright guys, after 9 months of using the Ancel MR500, I can honestly say it's been great. Having this kind of diagnostic tool on hand gives me real peace of mind every time I head out for a ride this season. And now we're taking it a step further with 2 new additions from Ancel, the Super Starter and the Battery Monitor. The Super Starter is a serious must-have. Not only does it help monitor your battery to make sure you're always riding on a solid charge, but it actually helps extend your battery life by taking strain off the battery with its super capacitor. And if you ever need it, you've got a reliable jump start ready to go. If you're someone who just wants to keep tabs on your battery health and ride with confidence, the Battery Monitor is the perfect option to keep everything in check. So of course, a big thank you to my friends over at Ancel for hooking it up with these awesome tools. I'll have links down in the description below if you want to grab one for your own PWC. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you smash the like button, consider subscribing to the channel, always ride safe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Let's go.